Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. Today will be the morning markets for the 2024 January 17th. So the Monday, the market has been standing up above 1005, and yesterday, Tuesday, it was pulling back below the 1500s. How should you react to it? It's pretty simple to answer these questions. You have trading plan for it, so you know where is the cut loss level. So you need to discipline to it, stick to the trading plan will do. So today, these are the stock will be covered in the today morning sessions, which is stock picking by the research houses, by various of the investment houses. So we can see that there are a lot of stocks will be covered. So, and disclaimers, and all the contents in this live sessions will be only serving for the educational learning purposes. It's not a buying and selling call for the viewers. So let's start ahead for the overnight market. Overnight US market is dropping small. I don't think it drops much for this one. Dow Jones dropped 200 points, which is 0.62%. So on the right side you can see that the yield, because of the 10 yields treasury tops 4%, bond yield is rising. So bond yield is rising, there's a concern for the postpone for the lower the interest rate, right? Okay, so it's pretty much simple. This okay, so another news will be the Dow Jones closes the rate hopes cut has been dented. So we can see that the Federal Reserve has been saying that they won't be so early for the interest cut. So that's why the bond yield rising. So let's have a look on the US market overnight, which is dropped mildly. So overnight it's dropped slightly over there. We can see that the trending, I believe over the short term it will be trending within these candles, which is when was it? This day was January 11, Thursday, last week Thursday. So over the short term, this will be the one of the one single day's high low range. So it will be trading this range. See whether where it will trading after this. Okay, so this one is Nasdaq, S&P, pretty much similar to the Nasdaq's Dow Jones. So Dow Jones has already react more early comparing to the S&P, and Nasdaq is dropped below the last two trading sessions, which is Thursdays. So it's now testing for the support level. See whether it can survive this range or not. So let me draw a rectangle, see whether I can draw it here. Okay, so this one is the trading range for the short term. See whether can it survive this range or not. Okay, for the Dow Jones. So let's move back to the Malaysia markets. So Malaysia market experience for the pullback yesterday, Tuesday. So Monday risen above 1005, right? So it's pulling back 7 points, drop below the 1005. So whether it's going to topping this area or not, we still early to tell. It's still early to tell, and we may need to monitor whether 1480 can providing support or not. Okay, so let's go back for the stock picks by the research houses. So the first research houses will be the M-Bank. M-Bank stock picks will be Redhill. Redhill has been rising a lot. If you're looking at the chartings, I believe this one past few months already risen a lot, because back in July, August, they research house picking these stocks at these areas. So it consider very good picks for that range. So you can see momentum is gaining. So overnight is there's a string right over there, closing at 123 level. So M-Bank calling a buy entry is within 115 and 123, meaning that later open 123 you can buy lah. So Okay, so with a target 140 and 150, exit would be 103. If you entry at 123 but exit is 103, which is 20 cent, which is slightly above, definitely above 10%. This one is not encouraging for the entry for short-term trades if you are trading this one. So to me, I mean, everyone have their own trading plans. I mean, your style, you need to find your own styles how to trade it. So this one, the slope is very steep. You can see the trending slope is becomes steep. So I would say if you want to trade this one, either you can wait for the pullback or you can adjust a stop loss level. I believe stop loss level is still acceptable to me, but entry is too high. If you want to buy for this one, waiting for the entry is the better option. So let's have a look. Where is the 140? 140 is right over here. 150 is uncharted territory, I believe. Yes, correct. So let's have a look on the second stock pick by the research house, which is M Plus M Bank. M Bank overnight closing 425. You can see the trending is pretty much nice trend. I would say pretty much like a cup. We don't see a candle yet. Pretty much like a cups. So they are calling for the buy above 425. It's already 425 overnight closing. So 425 you can buy. I mean, buy above. I think their meanings is buy above 426. Above. They said for above 425. Overnight closing is 425. So it's 426 you can buy in. With a target level 423, 435 and 440, and the cut loss 420. The cut loss level pretty small right over there. It's only 5 cents. It's only 5 cents. So the target is around 435 and 440. These two target price is quite narrow, which is 5 cent gap only. I think you might just choose one target will do, but the trading plan is pretty very short term. I would say it's pretty short term because you can see that they mentioned right over here is the target is 2.4% and 3.5%, and the stop loss is 1.2%, which is risk reward is 1 to 2 minimum. So this one is super short term trading call. That's not my favorite for super short term tradings, but anyhow, if you like it for the contra, you can try on it. Okay, next stock would be the Farm Fresh FFB. They are calling a buy above 140. You can see overnight closing is 140. So if 141 openings, it's already open, right? Later you can check. See if 141 you can buy in with a target of 145 and 150 right over here, and the cut loss level is only 3 how many cents? 3 cents, 3 to 4 cents, because you are buying above 140. Considering buying in 141 would be 4 cents. So 4 cent betting for the target of the 145, which is 4 cent, 1 to 1 and 1 to 2, 1 for 150. So wow, we can see that M Plus chartist is pretty short term trader. It's possibly a daily trader, maybe contra trader as well. They're picking the stock for very short terms only. So if this one suits to your appetite, you can go for it. Yep. So the next stock would be covered by the Maybank Investment Bank, which is BIMB Bank Islam. So overnight closing is 226 with a cut loss level of 215. So buying range is 224 and 226, meaning open at 226 you can buy in already. So and the stop loss level 215, which is around 11 cents acceptable, which is around 4 to 5% risk, with a target of 238 and 254, which is acceptable risk reward ratio. You can see the trending pretty much okay. the slope for the uptrending quite okay as well. We can draw some trend line here. It seems to be reasonable to this peak. Yep, you can see the trending is right over here. Okay, so uptrending, this one trending is still uptrending as well, which is pretty much acceptable for the trade. So the next stock will be DXN. DXN holding, so we can see overnight closing is 0.70 cent half. So the buying range is 70 cent and 71 cent with a stop loss level 655. So the cut loss level is around 8%, I would say, and the target 76 cent. And next target will be how many cent? 855, right? So because if this one is newly listed company, so 855 is uncharted territory, slightly above here. So, and next stock would be the My News. My News. So overnight closings 5.2 and they are calling a buy between the range of 5.2 5.3. So probably it's already open. You can buy in below 5.3 with a stop loss level 4.9. So acceptable cut loss level, and the target price will be 5.8 and 645. Resistance 5 is immediate resistance right over there. Second resistance is 6.4, pretty much acceptable. So I would say okay, quite okay. So next stock picks will be by UOB, CJ logistic companies. So this one is overnight closings for 1/2 with a cut loss level given is for 36 cent, 36 cent, and the target for 7.5 and 5.1. So this one is obviously in downtrend stocks. I don't know why they are calling for buy for these stocks. I don't know why. This one is obviously in a downtrend. The only reason I can find out why they are calling for buy because of the volume. The trading volume has came in for 6.9 million overnight closings. That's why they are calling for buy. If you are interested to buy these type of stocks, I would say you wait for retracement. You wait for retracement, maybe 4, 5 or 40 cents for these things. But this one is not my favorite. I mean, I don't like downtrend stocks. I would suggesting to stay away for the downtrend stocks anyhow. So the next stock will be the Hector Capitals. Hexstar Capital. This one is also a downtrend stocks. So from here, from the stock pick, we can see the charts of the research house. What are their trading styles? So UOB chartist trading style is they are going for the volume momentums, regardless of the trend. So I would say if you not considering for the trending, if the stock is on a downtrend, you are not considering for the downtrends, so I would say the probability for you to earn money is very thin. Okay, so let's go ahead for the overnight closing. Hector Capital, which is overnight closing 64 cents. Cut loss level given is 5.6, and the target given would be 7.45 and 8.1. So I will not suggesting downtrend stocks. There are a lot of options on top over there. So the next stock will be the EG Industrial Berhad. So this one is not a downtrend. It's buying for the support with a volumes right over here. Overnight closing 1.45, and a cut loss level given is 1.34, which is consider acceptable. The stop loss level is around 8 to 9%, I believe. The target given would be 166,174, which is immediate resistance right over there. Okay, so I'll go for the last research house. Okay, right over here, last research house will be by the RHB Massing. So you can see that the outlook is pending breakout above 8.5. So overnight closing is 87 cent. It need to stand above 8 how to pay breakout 8 I'm not sure what their meanings by breakout pending breakout above 8 because last 2 days the highest price was 8 half 89 cent. So should they considering a buy only at the closings of the day? I'm not sure. But breakout is breakout. So once it's touched it, considering it's already breakout. Okay. The stop loss level given is 8.3 which is pretty much acceptable. So right here, and the target given would be the 92 and 1 ringgit. So let's zoom out a little bit. Where is the 1 ringgit? Wow, the 92 cent is immediate, the previous high. So and then 1 ringgit, which is psychology levels, round figures, which is another resistance, which is acceptable to me. Okay, the next stop will be the Syntex. So overnight closing is 4 ringgit. So it said breakout above 399. So overnight is or closing is already at 4 ringgit cent, meaning that you already can buy in. Overnight closing already 4 ringgit, so you can buy in right now. What their IHP meaning is, and the stop loss level is 388 with a target given is 418 and 430. I zoom out a little bit for you to view the charting. Where's the target? Yes, acceptable target right over there. So you can see that it's already broken the previous high right over there. So it's already broken the resistance. This one consider a strong resistance at 4 ringgit level 399. So it's already broken yesterday. So this one I would say you need to have some patience right over there. The gap for the stop loss level you have to give more ample space right over there. So if you like to have the chartings chart for all these stocks, I'll be sharing in the telegrams and the WhatsApp channels. You can find it in the descriptions areas. If you want to open an account, you can check the description areas. You can WhatsApp to me, or you can direct open the account through Maybank to your website. Follow the video sharing at the below. So we do have a margin promotion at this moment as low as interest as 4.65%. If you are keen to open margin accounts at a very low, relatively low market range level in Malaysia markets, so I would suggesting you can have a consideration on it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.